Max Wireless RS485 pair, your solution for seamless wireless synchronization between primary and secondary pad mount gate operators. Pre-programmed at the manufacturer, it simplifies installation and eliminates the need for complex pairing, making the process quick and straightforward while providing maximum flexibility in any setup. Ideal for situations where wiring is challenging or impractical, this solution provides a streamlined approach to managing dual gate systems, enhancing overall operational efficiency. No matter the conditions, the Max Wireless RS485 pair delivers reliable, precise, and consistent performance. With the industry's longest wireless range at 1 mile, there's no concern about crosstalk, as each pair is uniquely linked to ensure smooth, interference-free operation. Whether for residential, commercial, or industrial properties, the Max Wireless RS485 pair adapts to your needs, making it the ideal solution for any dual-gate system.